recommend. This is really nice. Morning everybody, so today is Saturday and I decided to do a vlog today. Me and my Alicia, we are doing some running around and also cleaning the apartment, so it's just going to be a day in my life vlog. We are going to the city later today to just see all the Christmas stuff. We just want to knock it out all in one day. We're going to go to Rockefeller Center. I think we're going to go to Hudson Yards too, Bryant Park. I'm gonna go a little bit later when the sun goes down. There's one place I need to go to in Soho to pick up a gift, or I can go another day. Honestly, I do need to scrape this ice off my car and around my car because right now I cannot get out, and I've been holding that off for like 4 days now. Snowstorm hit on Wednesday and the snow's been sitting since Thursday, so it might be a little bit harder to get off, but that's the plan for today. Super excited. Alright, so we're about to start cleaning the apartment. I got the bathroom. We're gonna set up the Christmas tree after that. Oh. Okay, so it is about 2 o'clock right now. I took a small nap. I'm about to start getting ready so we can go ahead to the city. I'm about to choose my outfit, debating if I want to do my makeup because I really don't want to, because most of the time I'm gonna have my mask on anyway. I either do it all or none. So right now, as you can tell, I just got my telfar bag. I did order 3 of them, so that's just one of the 3. It's actually smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I ordered my bag when they did it back in August, I believe, when they opened the site up to order whatever bag you wanted for 24 hours. I also ordered a small bubblegum pink and then a medium white. So I'm excited about the medium one because I want to see how big it is, because I'm gonna try to use that as my everyday bag, but I do need like a small purse like this just to hold my phone, wallet, keys. I'm about to choose my outfit. Honestly, I don't know what I want to wear. It's about 30 degrees right now. I think I want to wear like a sweater dress because it's like one thing. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing today. This dress, this is from H&M. I believe it's an online only thing and it was out of stock for a long time, but I caught it when an extra small was in stock, so went ahead and got it. I actually got this on Black Friday, so it just came probably like a week ago. Really like it. I'm also really hot right now. I'm gonna wear this Baker Boy cap that I've had for a long time now. This is from ASOS. Probably had it for like 5 or 6 years. And then these boots, these are from ASOS as well. I think these are the dupes of the Zara ones that they had probably like last year, I think, so they were a little cheaper on ASOS. And then this leather like trench coat, this is from their store. I think it was like $6. That is the look. I guess I'm about to start my face now. We'll see. Oh shit. Almost fell. These are the typical ones, right? Oh, got it.
I got some earmuffs.
Cute. We gotta go down the stairs. I'm saying, is there like one that works? Fine, let's go down. Alright, y'all, so we are in H&M right now because Tasha wanted to find some earmuffs, but my Alicia had an extra pair that just wraps around your head. So we are leaving H&M. Our first stop was the Belize sign at Macy's. We are headed to Hudson Yards / the Vessel. That's what we're doing right now. Super packed in the city, but wouldn't expect nothing less around Christmas time. It's also the weekend. Alright, so we made it to our second stop. We are at Hudson Yards / the Vessel. We're just here for the lights, see the decorations. But it looks really nice to have lights on the Vessel right now. It looks very festive in here.
Super cute.
They have lights everywhere.
Like the bougiest mall I've ever been to.
So we're just about to walk around. My Alicia went to Zara, just trying to see where we could take a few pictures at. We'll be on to our next stop. Thank you. Here.
What are your thoughts?
Ooh,
Right.
I like it. Kind of soft. That's good. Ooh.
Yeah, being loving in New York is cool and all, but like having best friends, you're like, have you heard of that?
It's dark. I don't know if y'all.
Because it was scream.
So we are at our third stop. We are at Bryant Park right now, and we're having a seat. We have our hot chocolate, and me and my Alicia, we ordered dumplings, so we are waiting for that right now. And I'm glad to be sitting. But yeah, it's not too cold outside. And then our last stop will be Rockefeller Center, and then we're going home. But it's been a joyous Christmas time today. Seeing all the Christmas things that are available. Wow. Oh, tired. And then what are we doing when we get home, Aisha? Okay. We're watching a movie? Okay.
But the goal is to watch the credits. Delicioso. Secure the damn mission. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Into it.
Oh, fuck.
You forgot you had your mask.
Yeah, I would have been pissed. Or like lukewarm. Alright, so we're at Saks Fifth Avenue right now, and then Rockefeller. The tree is right across from it. We're just kind of waiting for the light show to start. Don't know when it starts, but there are a lot of people out here. If you're ever in New York during Christmas time, I recommend. This is really nice. Oh, okay. Alright, so we just made it home. We spent about 4 hours in the city, and we are finally back at the apartment. I am so tired. I just want to take all of this off. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed all of the Christmas activities that we did. I know I didn't get too many clips when we were in the city. I hope I got majority of it and showed you what it's like during the holidays in the city. But yeah, I'm about to pass out or just lay out for a few hours, and then I will see you guys next time. Bye.